The Boeing E-6 Mercury, formerly E-6 Hermes, is an airborne command post and communications relay based on the Boeing 707-320. The original E-6A, manufactured by Boeing's Defense Division, entered service with the United States Navy in July 1989, replacing the EC-130Q. This platform, now modified to the E-6B standard, conveys instructions from the National Command Authority to Fleet Ballistic Missile Submarines, sea communication with submarines, a mission known as TACAMO, take charge and move out. The E-6B model, deployed in October 1998, also has the ability to remotely control Minuteman ICBMs using the Airborne Launch Control System. The E-6B replaced Air Force EC-135CS in the looking glass role, providing command and control of U.S. nuclear forces should ground-based control become inoperable. With production lasting until 1991, the E-6 was the final new derivative of the Boeing 707 to be built. Role: Airborne Command and Control. Manufacturer: Boeing. First flight February 19, 1987. Introduction August 1989. Status: in service. Primary user: United States Navy. Number build 16. Unit cost: $141.7 million US. Developed from Boeing 707-320. Design and development. Like the E-3 Sentry Airborne Warning and Control System, AWACS, aircraft, the E-6 is adapted from Boeing 707-320 airliner. The first E-6 made its maiden flight from Boeing's Renton factory on February 19, 1987, when it was flown to Boeing Field, Seattle, for fitting of mission avionics. The aircraft was delivered to the Navy for testing on July 22, 1988. The E-6A, which was initially named Hermes, entered service with VQ-3 on August 3, 1989, with the 2nd Squadron, VQ-4, receiving its first E-6 as in January 1991, allowing the EC-130Q to be phased on in June that year. The E-6A was renamed Mercury in autumn 1991 by request of the U.S. Navy. 16 were delivered from 1988 to 1992. The E-6B is an upgrade of the E-6A. It included a battle staff area and updated mission equipment. The flight deck systems were later replaced with an off-the-shelf 737 next-generation cockpit. This greatly increases the situational awareness of the pilot and saves significant cost over the previous custom avionics package. The first E-6B was accepted in December 1997. All 16 E-6A aircraft were modified to the E-6B standard, with the final delivery taking place on December 1, 2006. Operational history. Codenamed Looking Glass, it is United States Strategic Command, USTRATCOM's Airborne Command Post, ABP, designed to take over in case the Global Operations Center, GOC, located at Offutt Air Force Base, Nebraska, is destroyed or incapable of communicating with strategic forces. The term Looking Glass is used because the ABP mirrors the abilities of the U.S. Strategic Command GOC to control nuclear forces. The E-6 fleet is based at Tinker Air Force Base, Oklahoma, and operated by Fleet Air Reconnaissance Squadron 3, VQ-3, VQ-4, and VQ-7. Specifications. General characteristics. Crew, 22. Capacity, 22. Length, 150 feet 4 in, 45.8 m. Wingspan, 148 feet 4 in, 45.2 m. Height, 42 feet 5 in, 12.9 m. Loaded weight, 342,000 pounds, 154,400 kilograms. Max takeoff weight, 342,000 pounds, 154,400 kilograms. Power plant, 4 times CFM International CFM 56-2A2 high bypass turbofans. Performance. Maximum speed, Mach 0.862, 600 miles per hour or 520 knots or 970 kilometers per hour. Range, 6,600 nmi, 7,590 miles, 12,144 kilometers, with 6 hours loiter time. Service ceiling, 40,000 feet, 12,200 m. Role airborne command and control. Manufacturer Boeing. First flight February 19, 1987. Introduction August 1989. Status in service. Primary user United States Navy. Number build 16. Unit cost $141.7 million US. Developed from Boeing 707 to 320.
Please subscribe and thanks for watching.